So, yes, now, jungle is massive. So today, me and Macy are carrying on with the roof bed that we're making for when we go camping so she can sleep in the pop top. So
he's not that short, he's just bending down.
We've made the design, we've made the bed, we just need to carpet it. We're going to carpet it today, so big up. We'll put you in some time lapse.
Yo.
And
let's get to it.
Innit? Let's get to it. Big up, jungle is massive.
Yeah!
Yes, no! Macy's sanding all edges down, look. We're going to have 3 pieces of this size. It's an inch thick, so it should carry Macy's weight easy. Inch thick. With hinges on so it folds up on itself.
Day 2.
Day 2 of carpeting. So hopefully we're going to get the boards carpeted today, and then we'll test fit it and all that kind of shizzle and bush.
And I'll try and get on it. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But if it's not, I won't be here next time. So
yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
But
we might do, because we've gone a bit of a shortcut way.
Yeah, so maybe we'll get 3 of them done today and try it in, and then Mace can get up there and see what shizzle is. So yeah, day 2 of carpeting.
Yeah.
So we'll put you on some time lapse in it. Big
yep.
up. What you say? Jungle is massive. I've put the bed in and I've put some fixtures in to hold it up to the roof. So I'm going to try and film it, show you what I mean. So I'll flip you around and show you roof, bed down, see what you think. So pop tops up and roof bed is down. Them clips there. That's what clips it to the roof. It folds there, folds down back. And I'm gonna see if I can show you. So I don't know how good you can see, but as you can see, I folded it like that, and then I've put some clips on the roof. Then it's just gonna clip it now when you put it up. So push that up. Watch the windows. Put the windows so you can see. Put them clips in. Put them clips in. Pull them tight. Pull them tight. And it holds the roof up. Like that. So then, when it's up, we've still got there's room. Walk around. I can sit on rock and roll the bed. Put bed out. And because of the way I've shaped this, the way it's here, not on the roof. So when you clip it up, it's forcing it back this way and down on here. So the weight of it is not on the roof. So yeah, it's all carpeted now. I'm quite happy with that. It's looking pretty good. Got the clips off Amazon. They're military grade, like backpack clips almost. And I've screwed it to the board of the bed. And I've screwed opposite side to the roof. So all you've got to do is hold that, unclip that, and down comes the roof. There's your bed. Don't know if you can see it. And there's your bed now. So yeah, quite happy with that. So yes, now put some LEDs up here now, look. So well happy with that. Jungle is massive. Big up.